Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to film a quick unboxing video today because I just got a box from Profusion. I love Profusion makeup. I use it all the time. And they send a box pretty much every season, and I'm just assuming that this is filled with fall makeup. I've had a bunch of you asking when I'm gonna start doing some fall tutorials, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of unveil the makeup and then follow up with the tutorials over the next couple of weeks. Profusion always puts together really nice packages, which is why I wanted to unbox this one. Not all brands put in as much effort, but I really enjoy getting to use their makeup and opening their packages when they arrive. So I kind of wanted to share it with you. I have my little knife and I'm gonna just cut this box open. Yeah! Fall into fall. I'm not gonna read the back. It has all the products listed, but I'm not gonna read it. I'd rather be surprised. Okay, so everything is wrapped right now. See how great they are? They just wrap everything in tissue paper. Here we go. First one, I'm guessing this is a lip kit. Fantasy, whoa. Okay, so this is a matte lip cream, matte lip liner, and a sparkling lip topper. This is actually gorgeous. Oh my God, I can't wait to try this lip. It's almost like a burgundy, like a deep brown burgundy, and then this is a bit of a copper topper. Copper topper? That's stupid. That rhymed. I liked that. I probably should have opened this at the end because I feel like this is going to complete the look, but whatever. We're going to go backwards. Next up, oh nice, the Profusion 6-piece face defining kit. I guess I'll open them. I love Profusion makeup because A, it's so affordable, and B, you can get it at Target. Anything you can buy at Target is A-okay in my book. Most of their palettes are like $5.99, $6.99, $7.99, 8 and under. Some of the lip kits are like $3. It's just such a steal, and I actually really enjoy the quality of the makeup, which is why I was so excited to share this package, which is why I kind of want to give the attention to this brand. I'm all about finding affordable makeup to create a higher end look. I really don't think you have to spend a lot to look like you're worth a lot. Is that stupid? Obviously, some makeup is better than others, but in my experience thus far, I found that Profusion is comparable for most of their products. There are some that I don't prefer, but a lot of them are just really great. So this is a 5-color face palette. Looks like they have bronzers, blush, and a highlight. Yep, 2 radiant highlighters, 2 natural blush shades, easy to blend bronzer, and a brush. I love the Profusion brushes, personally. I think they're really soft and work well. I'm excited to try this and to see how this bronzer works. I'm a huge bronzer girl. Next up, there's only 4 pieces, so we're halfway through. Ooh, another lip kit. Oh snap. This might be something that I saved for the holidays. It's got another lip cream, another lip liner, and a sparkly topper, but it's all reds. Wow, this is pretty. I actually love this gloss. I think I'm more excited to try the other kit, but these are some gorgeous shades. I have a feeling this is gonna be like an orange red, which I prefer reds with blue undertones, but that gloss might stand alone really well. I'm excited to try this. I saved the best for last, I think, because I'm assuming this is a palette. I'm so excited. If you watched my last Get Ready With Me, I used their Day Face palette, which was all kind of browns. I'm actually wearing that exact makeup look today. I've literally been wearing it every single day. And this palette, oh, I'm so excited. This is right up my alley. Oh my God, it's so pretty. This is the Profusion chocolates. Oh my freaking Lord. How gorgeous is this? And they have some greens, a ton of shimmers, coppers, golds, all kinds of glitters. Wow, this is gonna be so much fun to play with. I can't wait to get my hands on that green. What is it? That quest right down here? That's gorgeous. I think a deep autumn look with these eyes and then this burgundy lip is gonna be really pretty. I cannot wait to do it. Now you got a little bit of a sneak peek, and I wanna know if there are any fall palettes out that you think I need to check out. I've seen a lot of different ones hit the market, and I don't know which are worth trying. I also recently received a bunch of caviar sticks from Laura Mercier. You know, I've been converted to a bit of a Laura Mercier snob this summer. I just have fallen in love with their products time after time, and I haven't tried the sticks yet, but I think that a couple of the sticks paired with some of these shadows might make for a really beautiful autumn look. So I'm looking forward to putting that together and sharing it with you in the coming weeks. In the blogging, YouTube, influencer world, I've experienced the fall and winter are just the busiest times for me, so I've been gearing up and getting everything in order for fall and holiday content. So I'm gonna wrap this video up before it becomes too long. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I promise you my 5,000 giveaway is coming. I've just been a little crazy, bad excuse, but it's true. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment below just to say hi. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you guys next time.